In this SEO course video today, you will learn about the use of manual actions and security reports in Google Search Console and how practically step by step you can do this and you can learn this. So friends, this is a practical tutorial. Go through this entire course properly so that you can become an SEO expert.
Along with that, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss
the important updates and upcoming courses. One more important thing, Marketing Fundas has launched a Maha Bundle course for each and every one of you, in which you can learn more than 50 digital technical skills. And by joining Marketing Fundas,
you can also start your learning and your earning.
Friends, don't delay, link is in description. Click and join it. And please watch this entire video till the end. Thank you. Call on the given numbers for digital marketing services, training and consultancy, or you can visit our website.
Hello everyone. In this video today we will discuss Google Search Console about security and the manual actions. Over here you get an option for the manual action, meaning when Google on your website takes some manual actions. Now what all can it do in the manual actions? That if there is any kind of error or if you have made any fault by mistake, it takes an action related to that over here and informs you about it, and also shows inside the manual action reports. So friends, right now there are no issues over here, and in case if there are any of the issues, so guys, here you will be getting the steps, and if you follow these steps, then it will be fixed. So let's see what type of actions are present there that Google takes on your website. So here is an article where you will get to know what types of manual actions are present over there, like site abuse with third-party spam. If someone is putting in spam or if someone is generating spam, it is spamming. There is an issue in the structured data, meaning there is some issue with the schema or in structured data or the code you're using. There is some issue in that, like the unnatural links to your website. So now there are some unnatural links coming in your websites, or unnatural links are going from your website. And there's thin contents like, if you know about algorithms, which is our major update, and in which there are things that are not liked and not approved by these updates, like our penguin and panda updates. So it only looks at those things. Right here you have the same things. Unnatural link data structured, user generated spam. Right, and over here there's thin content with little to no added value, means it's a little content which is too short. Okay, in which cloaking is happening. Okay, and sneaky redirects are used, meaning black hat techniques are being used. We are doing cloaking here. We are spamming here and using cloaked images, right? Stuffing is happening. And the hidden text, that means we are hiding with matching color with the background. So friends, on which platform are all of these things? It's counted in black hat techniques. So if you are using black hat techniques, then the Google will take manual actions against your website. Hence, those issues will be detected in the manual action reports, and you can see it all in that. So from there, you can fix it then here. The actions will be shown to you. Google takes this type of action, and you can read more details over here if you want. And friends, you can also see how the action is being fixed here. It is not possible at all that anyone would undertake these types of actions on your website. And if any one of you have actually done this with your website, then in that case, then that will be shown up in the manual actions. And that's how our next report is about the security related issues. So that if someone visits your website, then there's no issues regarding the security issues. They don't face any issues related to that. This is not that you're misusing their card details. Malicious codes are available on your website, or redirection is occurring and security is lacking. All those things. So there is malware code injection, URL injection, and deceptive pages that you have created. And there are some harmful downloads. And friends, in some websites, it shows as click here to download, or sometimes it also shows some 4 buttons and you have to click it in the center, right? It's nothing like that. Okay, so friends, over here, what they do is they track each and everything, and that falls under security issues. So these are all the things which you can also read in detail from here. These are the 2 options under the security and the manual actions. That's all for this video. We will keep bringing more such interesting topics in upcoming videos. Till then, thank you so much.
I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please let me know in comments section. If you want to take digital marketing services or digital marketing training from us, so you can visit our website marketingfundas.com or call on the given numbers. Friends, Marketing Fundas has launched a partner program for you so that each and everyone can start their instant learning. And it's a very easy program. The link is given in the description. Click it and join. And friends, thank you for watching Marketing Fundas.